Hey, we're at Sneakercon Chicago, and I can't wait to be the oldest person there without children. Check it out! They're doing live eBay auctions over there. So, yeah, whenever they're done, someone can say, sorry, my kid bought it! eBay is full of gremlins. Here, you want to do a sideways thing?
Yeah, there you go. Right.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem,
Thank you so much.
I'm just a huge Kylie Jenner fan, so. Here we have a gentleman cosplaying as Death Stranding. Okay, I'm back. I'm done with Sneakercon. Here's why the video is very short. Sneakercon officially sucks. And you can sit here and say, oh, it's because of everything's about money, everything's about blah, 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 blah nowadays. No, that's not why it sucked. Do you want to know why it sucked? Because it was seriously people just sitting there on two sides of a table showing each other their phones with StockX loaded on it. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It was the most counterproductive thing I've ever seen. And I don't mean counterproductive in terms of business. I don't mean counterproductive in terms of sneakers. I mean counterproductive in terms of humans. Like this was almost a waste of time. I will say it was good seeing some people. That's about it though. People don't know what they're doing anymore. And that's just kind of the state of the sneaker game. It's still fun, but sitting there showing each other their phones was kind of weird. So that's the video. Sorry it's short and probably sucks. But guess what else sucks? Sneakercon sucks.